Yes, welcome. In our second video, in addition to what we presented to you last week as SIT's Concepts EduTech project, many colleagues have approached us for the need to become trained as e-learning champion instructors or online learning instructors. This is brought to you by SIT's Consults International and SIT's Consults Uganda. Basically, we want you to become an online learning champion instructor so that you can effectively deliver during this period of remote learning. Remote learning is all about a computer, observe social distance, and have a few 2 to 3 to 4 that you can guide around you, not a number of people around you. We are aware that in our response to COVID-19, remote learning is the solution. We have to keep a distance, we have to wash our hands, we have to wear masks, and we have to stay safe. Therefore, remote learning is here and is home-based. Our mission and vision is to be among the leading firms providing innovative education technologies and consulting globally, and we are to be globally known, the providers of digital transformation solutions and consulting services to education institutions. For this particular one, our target are the primary teachers, the secondary teachers, and the university facilitators. We are not covering the same content, but based on the pedagogies, based on the learning of your level, teaching of your level, we shall aggregate the training. Our intuitive learning management platform, by the end of it all, will be able to cover something that is appealing to the student, from the introduction of your lesson to the assessment of your lesson, with the necessary graphics, with the necessary pictures that are required by your learners in order to have active and meaningful learning. What will you learn with our learning management system? We'll teach you, we'll facilitate you how to gather as much knowledge as possible about the school's needs and goals. Aware that each institution has individual needs, and those needs should be transferred into the learning management system interface features. Learning management system is what replaces the conventional classrooms, the brick and mortar classrooms. These are digital rooms. You need to know what you want to achieve with the learning management system, whether it is creating classes, assigning and submitting homework, taking assessments, collaborating with the classmates, or even analyzing results. Okay? So, you'll need this. Implementing and managing your learning site. Having a learning management system in the school and the university is one, and the teachers transforming it into sites that are active sites for learners is another. So the moment the school has acquired the site, we have deployed the site to the school, teachers will be able to learn how to create an outline of each class. You may be teaching more than one class, and this will require you to get some basic instructor skills and domain knowledge in order to determine what the class will cover. Domain knowledge, I mean the expertise where you're trained to deliver. Are you a mathematics teacher? Are you a science teacher? Are you a physics teacher? And so on. You'll be able to create competences for each class. You can create your own competences in our learning management system, or upload your own competences, tag them to the class content with the competences that you'll be teaching and assessing. The key to teaching and learning is building competences of the learners. You'll be able to create the materials for each lesson, and this is the most time-consuming part of implementation. Creating material, both online material and offline material. You'll be able to create assignments for each class in an easy way. Then, in addition to implementing, you design attractive self-paced materials for your learners, the ones they can access even when you are not. You're able to test the classes. You're able to work with the grades and grade points. You'll create learning paths. You'll configure class catalogs. You'll create pupil-student accounts and invite them to your class. And you'll engage your learners using real-time and self-paced materials at the end of the training. What you'll achieve at the end of it all, you'll get a certificate of competency for your ability to design courses and implement the teaching or lecturing in an online environment. This will be your added value, added competency in addition to the training you received from the college or from the university. Our platform portal that you deal with, this is CITS Consults International Portal. You have the home, you have classes, you set groups, you set catalogs, you configure users, you add resources, you configure admins, you follow up enrollments of learners, you look at their mailing list, the students active and non-active, among others. If you go, for instance, with the user account, you'll be able to manage the students, you'll manage their parents, and you'll manage other teachers that you work with in a given course. If it comes to, this is as an example of one of the lessons created in an economics class, you'll be able to configure the material that you need the learners to access. You can do the analytics and see the levels of attendance and whether they are active learners or not active learners in your class, and be able to take corrective action. You'll be able to set the seating arrangements and shuffle the seating of your learners. You never can tell. A stubborn learner can be seated close to one who is concentrating. So you must be able to have the witness as a teacher to shuffle the learners and control the behavior of the learners within the class. Of course, talked about the setting of the assignments. Teaching is another, and evaluating of your learners is another. You're able to set quizzes, essays, offline questions, surveys, discussion forums, debates, and other team groups like a project-based assessment. Within the interactive lesson area, you'll be able to engage with the learners with the real live material, or via the interactive media like a Zoom, GoToMeeting, like a WhatsApp, like a Skype, among others as you shall integrate and as you'll be having you and your learners. What you need a learning management system which the school is going to have for you, but for now we'll be using our demo. You need internet, your learners need internet, the parents need the internet. Then we need a low-cost device. You need a smartphone, you need a mobile phone, you need a tablet or even a laptop. Even if you have a desktop, it will work for you. Finally, if you need us, we have a contact office in Mukono. Those of you cannot go to Cape Town, where we are located, we have put up offices in Mukono, the former Centenary building, first floor, that is opposite Colin Road here in Mukono municipality. Or you can email us at sitsinternational26@gmail.com. All our phone numbers are also up there, or you can get details on our website. The telephone numbers are 256-772-492-843, 256-707-462-178, 256-777-135-355, or via email, or get access to us via our web portal. Thank you.